this top of the airbox off, use a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen this screw up. Take that screw out. Take this screw out. And there's one down here, it's kind of hard to see. Take that screw out. With all those out, grab the box and just slide it right off. Take this snorkel off, we'll disconnect the connector here, just push down on the tab, slide it off. Use a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up on this worm clamp, and slide this off. There's a connector right here. You just push on these two tabs and it slides right off just like that. And just grab this piece, you can slide it up. You can slide the air filter out as well. Disconnect this connector right here. There's a little lock tab right there. You just slide it back a little bit, then you push down on the tab and slide the connector off, just like that. This hose right here comes off in the back. You just push the sides to release the locks. And you should be able to wiggle it off, just like that. So you just squeeze that, and that releases the locks. Now there's the nut on the back side of here. Use a 10mm socket. Take that nut off. It's a nut that is holding this bracket on for the transmission fill tube or transmission dipstick tube. So just slide that off and out of the way. Then there's two studs that are holding the valve on. Use a 13mm socket. Take those off. Take those out. Slide those out and slide the whole valve out. Take a scraper or a razor blade and just scrape some of the old gasket off. Just like that. If you see any gasket material. Take the valve and the gasket. There's an arrow that's going to point towards the front of the vehicle. So make sure that lines up with the gasket correctly. Then you can take the bolts, get the bolts started. And line this up. And I'm going to torque these bolts to 18 foot-pounds. Put the transmission bracket over that stud in the back and put the nut on and tighten it down. Connect the hose, line it up, lock it down, take the connector, line that up, lock it in and push down on the lock. Now slide the air filter and the snorkel in place. There is a little tab right here that goes into a slot. Slide that down. Slide that over there. Connect this hose down here. Just lock it down. You can slide this connector on up here. And tighten down the worm clamp here. And put the airbox cover on. Slide it in place and put the screws back in. And tighten them all down.